Hello everybody, it's me, Marion Yau, missfootfixer from London. I hope you are well. So we have this lovely patient here with a little bit of toe deformity with white specks of fungal nail infection. Now, a lot of people think that with white specks, it means a lack of calcium. It's not just really calcium, it can be zinc, it can be a sign of iron deficiency. So a lot of things can cause white speck, but for this case, it is a fungal infection. You can see it's quite crumbly here on the side. Because it's on one toe, we decided that it's probably best to kind of remove it and then see how it wants to go back. Because it's so deep inside. Nice and clear. Okay, excellent. That's all done. Fantastic. Just dress this, so we'll have our standard dressing. Very happy with that. Nice and clean.